Alright, what's up and welcome to the video. It's been some time. I haven't uploaded on YouTube for, I don't know, 7 months, 8 months or something, but it's time again to upload. And in this video I will show you guys my apartment that I currently live in. I moved into the apartment like 6-7 months ago, beginning of 2021, and yeah, it's an amazing apartment. You guys always see it in the Instagram stories. So yeah, you guys requested me to do like a room tour, and I've been wanting to do it for like 3-4 months or so. Haven't done it so far, but now today I'll finally show you guys what this apartment looks like. And yeah, I'd say let's get started. So this right here is the living room that we are currently in. Here on the left side is like a little workstation where my business partner and friend Luca works from. We're actually staying here in the apartment together. And yeah, this is like kind of like his workstation where he works from. We both work here from the apartment. We do have like a little office here in Dubai, but yeah, work from the apartment. And yeah, maybe before we get started, before I show you guys all the rooms and the kitchen, the living room and everything, maybe just a few facts about the apartment. This apartment is 284 square meters big, plus the balcony. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 1 little like maid room, but you know, we don't have like a maid or anything. And yeah, 1 kitchen, 2 living rooms. And yeah, right now we are here in the first living room that you guys can see. As I said, over here is like this little work desk where Luca is getting work done. We have the 2 Comma Club awards over there. And yeah, this over here is, I don't know how you say it in English, but I guess living area. We have this amazing badass couch over here. I used to, at the beginning, when I first moved into this apartment, have a different couch, which was like way smaller. I don't know, like 1/3 of the size of this one. But the apartment, the living room is so big. And we once went to IKEA, and then there was like next to IKEA was a different store, and they had this couch, and I was like, wow, this couch is amazing, right? So yeah, I decided to get the couch. They delivered it, and now this amazing couch is over here. Sometimes with friends, like we have a PS3 over here, like an old one. With friends, we sometimes in the evening play like Black Ops 2 or something, for those of you who might still know it. I played it, I don't know, like 6 years ago, or I don't know, when I was in school, when I was playing video games all day long and not, you know, like working my business. I sometimes played Black Ops 2 with friends, and now even today, sometimes we are playing, we are watching movies or something on the weekend. And yeah, this is basically the living room. Yeah, I'd say let's go to the kitchen, and I can then show you guys what the kitchen of this apartment looks like. The cool thing about this kitchen is that it's actually like, let's say, a modern kitchen, because usually here in Dubai, and you know, the last apartments or the last 2 or 3 apartments that I lived in, like last year and the year before, here in Dubai, usually the kitchens are kind of like old. You have this wooden style, old kitchens, not like a modern design. And the amazing thing about this apartment in general, this whole tower, is that they have modern kitchens, this white design, everything is super clean. And yeah, you guys will see it in the room tour. It's kind of like a minimalistic home, I'd say. Not many like fancy things inside, just basic stuff. And yeah, also the kitchen looks super clean. I don't know, we have the fridge, or how do you say over here? Nothing special inside, just meal preps. Because actually, like, I don't know, 3 months ago or something, I made the change. I made the change from eating out in restaurants, like for real, every single day, which I did for like the last 2 years or so, to going for meal prep, right? Because I wanted to get in shape, lose weight, gain muscles, and obviously it's way easier to lose weight and to gain muscles if you just go for meal prep and have like set meals each and every single day, than if you just order something on Deliveroo and stuff, and you know, you see the burgers, you see the pizza, and you know, chances are that you will order unhealthy food. So I decided to do meal prep 6 times a week. Nothing special in here. Over here, I don't know, just some citrons, vodka over here, but yeah, nothing special. All right, over here we have some supplements that I'm actually taking. Maybe this is also interesting for you guys. Started taking supplements a few months ago. We have omega-3. This one over here, what's this? Ashwagandha. My personal trainer recommended this one. This one is On from Juicery. It's kind of like an energy drink, but you know, they say it's a little bit more healthy. We have zinc over here. We have greens in here. This one is vitamin C. And yeah, those are basically the supplements I take. Nothing too special. In here, also nothing special, nothing special. We have, I don't know, how do you say? I don't even know the English word, but yeah, this cleaning thing over here. Most important thing of the kitchen, I'd say, is the coffee machine. Every morning when I wake up, first thing I do is I like brush the teeth and get ready and stuff, but then I have a coffee, usually in the living room. Yeah, this is what the quick kitchen looks like. Over here we have this little microwave, also nothing too special. I used to not use it, but you know, when I switched to meal prep, I started using the microwave. So I just put the meal prep into the microwave, 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and the meal prep is ready. And yeah, by the way, this little advice maybe for you entrepreneurs, like look, for me it was like kind of like a lifestyle trap. When I started making money with my business, when the business started getting better, and when I moved to Dubai almost 3 years ago, I was like, okay, now I can spend the money. And you know, before I started the business, or when I started the business, I was always taking a look at all these people on social media, and they were like traveling the world, eating in the best restaurants, blowing money. And I was like, this is amazing. And I had this, you know, dream lifestyle in my mind. And part of that dream lifestyle was eating out in amazing restaurants. So for the first 2 years here in Dubai, I was only eating out in restaurants like for 3 times a day, spending so much money. But yeah, 3 months ago something, made the change to meal prep. I remember a friend saying, he's like, food doesn't have to you know, taste good, it just has to work. I don't know if that's true, but yeah, I made the change to meal prep and it's actually working pretty good for me. I lost like, I don't know, 10 kilograms or something, also gained muscle a lot. I'm going to the gym 6 times a week. Oh no, not to the gym, 5 times gym, and 1 time a week I'm doing the stairs in the tower, 80 floors down and then up. So yeah, anyways, meal prep, highly recommended, saves you lots of time, money, and you also get in shape. Okay, so this was the kitchen. I'd say let's go over to the second living room, which I don't know if it's really a living room or not. Yeah, we're not really like using this room. Luca used to have his office in here, but you know, he then changed to the living room, and now over here there's nothing too special. We just have this little desk over here, little like couch. And yeah, over here there's a balcony. Sometimes in the morning I go out, have my coffee here on the balcony. But yeah, we're basically not using this room. I already thought of maybe putting some books over here, but you know, we didn't use this room so far because yeah, I don't know. So yeah, we don't use the room. Over here is the area of the bedrooms. So this apartment has 3 bedrooms. But we're only using 2. Luca and I are staying here in the apartment. Luca has his own bedroom, I have my own bedroom, and I turned 1 bedroom into my office, which I will show you guys in a second. Over here there's just like a little, let's say, storage room. So yeah, that's a room we're not using, we're just throwing stuff in there. So I will just close the door and show you guys the first bedroom, Luca's bedroom. I will show it to you guys really fast. So we have like, I don't know, how do you say? I don't know all the English words, but I think wardrobe or something, like where you can basically store your shirts and everything. Yeah, Luca has his bed over here, little e-piano, and yeah, that's basically it for the first bedroom. Little bathroom over here. I don't know if you guys want to see it, nothing too special. Just a normal bathroom. And yeah, I'd say let's have a look at the office where I get work done. As I said, this apartment is usually 3 bedrooms, but I turned 1 of the bedrooms into an office. By the way, if you guys are wondering why there's like a hairdryer over here, I don't know why, but here in this apartment, like in the bathrooms, you can't plug the hairdryer into the bathroom. Like there's no electricity or whatever. So yeah, it's over here. Yeah, this is the office, the, let's say, second bedroom that I turned into an office. I have my desk over here. And yeah, this is basically where I get work done from. Whiteboard over here, where I brainstorm, plan marketing campaigns, business moves, stuff that I want to do. And yeah, we have some books over here. On this side, .com secrets, expert secrets. Okay, expert secrets is over here. By the way, those are books, highly recommended. Oops, 1 book fell down. But yeah, this is expert secrets, amazing book. Also .com secrets down there. Like those are the first books that I read about, you know, like online marketing, selling products online, building a brand. And I've read both of the books, I don't know, like 10 times or something, and they are absolutely amazing. So if you haven't read them and want to build a business online, make sure to do that. This book over here, haven't read it. Friends, yeah, surprised me with this book for birthday, or it was one of the books, but yeah, I haven't read it so far. And yeah, this is the desk. You guys can have a look. This is where I get work done from most of the day. Sometimes, you know, I change the location, maybe go to like a restaurant, take this MacBook and work from a restaurant, or down here. In this tower, we have like a huge lobby where I sometimes also get work done from, but mainly like 80% of the time I work from here. I used to have this desk over there, so I turned the whole desk around. Like at the beginning, I had it over here, right? So that while working, I could always look out and see the view. But I changed it a few weeks ago, before I went to Germany, because when you now come into the office, you see this whole desk, this massive desk. I think it's an amazing desk. I don't know exactly like where it's from, because a friend of mine, he bought the desk a couple of years ago, and then he moved from apartment to apartment, and he was like, I want to keep this desk, so I bought the desk from him. But amazing desk. This is where I get work done from. Maybe really fast, because you guys also always ask on Instagram about the watches. I have this watch over here that I just recently bought, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago or something. This one is the first one I bought, also just Datejust. I bought it from a friend and business partner and mentor. It was the first one I bought when I hit $100,000 a month at the beginning of 2020. And then a couple of weeks later, I bought this beautiful AP. And I'm now more and more getting into the whole watch game. It's a pretty interesting game. At the beginning, like when I bought the first 2 watches, I really wasn't into watches. I didn't know anything about watches, like what models they are, etc., etc. I was just like, okay, those watches look cool. My friend or business partner wants to sell them. He offered me to buy them. I bought them, that's it. But now I'm getting more and more into watches. Definitely an interesting game. And I think that's it for the office. Maybe I can show you guys the bathroom. Like, I don't also use this bathroom sometimes, but there's a little bathroom over here, because as I said, this should normally be a bedroom, but we are only staying in here with 2 people. So we're not using this bedroom. And I'd say I will show you guys the master bedroom that I'm staying in, which is over here. So this is the last room that we have here in the apartment. Also nothing what means too special, but just a normal bedroom. We have the bed over here, have a book over here. What's pretty cool is actually Luca installed this whole thing. I can show you guys. There's this app, Smart Life, and you can connect like all your stuff, like all the electricity with this app, and you can then like turn them. Okay, now it's not working. Okay, wait, let me show you. Now it's working. Okay, I can put here Nachttischlampen an. That's a German word. Okay, one of the lamps is offline apparently. Okay, it didn't work. Wait, let's try this one. Power on, off. Okay, not working, but it should work. Normally I can turn the lights on, so in the evening, like when I want to go to bed or maybe still read something or something, I can just click and be like, okay, lamps on, they are on, and I don't have to like turn around and turn both lamps on. But that's basically it. Bedroom over here, a little TV over here. I'm not really watching TV, maybe like once a month or something here in the bedroom, or twice or 3 times, I don't know. Sometimes, as I said, movies with friends in the living room, but this TV I'm not really using it. And over here is the bathroom. I can show you guys really fast also. Also this bathroom, or general, this bathroom is a little bit special, because normally here in Dubai also, for the normal apartments, if you're like not living in a hotel, the bathrooms also always have this kind of like old style. So you most of the time have like a shower in the, in the bathtub. Also most of the time the bathrooms are pretty old. So one of the cool things, one of the reasons why I decided to move into this apartment was because first of all, the kitchen is like so modern, because the whole apartment is so clean and modern and has nice structure, and also because the bathroom is so clean and pretty, let's say, modern. And that's the bathroom. Maybe a little perfume recommendation. Lenny, a friend of mine, surprised me with this perfume for my birthday. Amazing one, highly recommended. And also this one over here, a business partner and friend, Torben from Germany, Torben Platzer, recommended me this perfume, also amazing one. And also recently bought this one, but to be honest, I only use it like 2 or 3 times and don't really like it. But those 2 are, let's say, badass. And that's basically the bathroom. And that's basically it for the apartment. I think you guys have seen everything, all the 3 bedrooms, the living room, or the 2 living rooms, the balcony. You guys saw the workstation. And I hope you guys like the room tour. I wanted to record this, as I said, for like 4 or 5 or 6 months or something. I moved in 6 months ago and immediately wanted to film, but I then bought more stuff, and because I furnished the apartment from scratch, When I moved in, nothing was inside. So all the stuff that you guys saw is like, let's say, self-furnished. And I first wanted to like furnish the whole apartment, and I'm still wanting to buy some more stuff, but I was like, okay, fuck it, let's film the room tour. Otherwise, the next like 4 months, I'm gonna go through and I will then move into another one and don't film the room tour. So I decided to just film it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. Yeah, maybe it gives some of you guys a little bit of motivation, inspiration, because, you know, I know when I first started my business like 4 years ago, 5 years ago, something, when I saw room tours like this, not just on YouTube, but also on Instagram, it always motivated me. And I was like, okay, if this person can do it that I was watching, then I can do it too. And it always gave me some extra motivation. And yeah, maybe some of you guys can get some motivation, inspiration from this room tour too. And yeah, I'd say that's for the video. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. In the next couple of weeks, lots of content will come out. So yeah, be excited. And I'd say I will see you guys inside the next video.